The positive thing for me is that I don't believe that as a batting unit we've still hit our peak. There are still areas we can get better at, and that's a good thing. You know, I know that's just around the corner. We are going to play a really perfect batting innings, and that will be exciting. And when that happens, I'm looking forward that it should happen this game.
What chance you've got?
Edged out. It pitched in that area just outside the off stump, and England have drawn first blood.
Nice shot. Oh, what wonderful wrists those are. Top catch. Watched it all the way in. Did Sam Curran had some ground to make up. This time a bit of room. Kohli gets his hands through the ball. Kohli gets 4 more. There's a fielder there. There's a fielder there. What a big moment. Huge moment in this game. It didn't matter how far wide long on was. Nobody was going to stop that. Short. Belted away. Massive to the leg side. Hardik Pandya means business. Hard, finds the gap, doesn't go for 4. Can Kohli get back for 50? He does. And has it been taken? It has. Adil Rashid, brilliant. Kohli stands and stares, he's got to go. It's 50 for Hardik Pandya. It's a quite brilliant knock. That's gone big. Hardik Pandya is having an evening out at the Adelaide Oval. I think he's trod on his stumps there. It's a great shot, but he's out, hit wicket. He went so far back in his crease, that could be vital.
That's through. Post boundary for Josh Butler. And that's a clean strike. Very clean. It's gone the distance as well.
You can see Pandya really trying to get the fans behind their team.
Oh, shot. Oh, what a shot that is. It'll silence them again, I think.
Well, it's a terrific 50, this from Alex Hales.
Oh, what a shot that is from Josh Butler. About 20 yards either side, and the England captain brings up his half century.
Tough to put into words, to be honest. Very, very special to beat India, one of the best teams in the world, and on such a big stage in the World Cup semi final, and to do it by 10 wickets is a dream come true.